Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to unpivot columns and split columns. So unpivoting means just converting the rows to columns and columns to rows, just like transpose. But there is one difference. Let's see what that difference is. So just for the demonstration purpose, we have one data set here. So I'm connecting my Excel workbook. I have this Excel workbook as advanced economies. I am just selecting this and connecting this. So here we have two sheets, as we can see that. Here just click on the sheet name, right? Or the data name, it will show the preview. Just click on this check button, checkbox, and it will open up a Power Query editor window here, right? So you will see we have a column 1 for all the country names, and we have month and year, year and month as the column names, right? Just like 2014 month 01, 2014 month 02. Now what we have to do, we have to create a column for we need to use these headers as the column, right? Now I will be clicking on this column here. Now go to transform tab. Here we will see unpivot columns, right? Just click on this call unpivot columns and unpivot other columns, because we need to keep this column 1 as it is and keeping other columns as unpivot. So unpivot other columns, you will see that particular value is now in the value section, value column, and this attribute column is year and month number. Now I will be just renaming this, just like this is my country, right? Here we have year and month, and we have here as amount, right? Now what we need to do is, if you see under year and month column, we have values as 2014 month 01, right? So what we need to do is, we need to replace this m with comma, right? So now what we have to do, we will select this column here. Now go to home tab. Here we have replace values, right? This replace value option under this transform. So we have to choose this replace value option, right? Now we have to replace m with comma. So we will just type m here and replace it with comma, and we will click on ok button. You will see now we have 2014 comma 01, 2014 comma 02, right? Now we will be splitting this particular column with year and months separate. Okay, for that, under the home tab only, just select this column first. Under the home tab only, we have this split column option. So just we will go to this split column option. We have multiple options, sub options here. We can split this by delimiter. Delimiter means any of the separator here, right? We can call it any separator as delimiter. Number of characters, we can skip 4 characters here and keep the other characters in the second column, right? So here we will be using by delimiter, right? So clicking on it, delimiter is our comma, and we have split at the, if we have more than one commas in that column, then what we need to do is split leftmost, rightmost, or each occurrence. Then code type, under the advanced options, you need to select what number of columns you need to split. So it has already selected 2. You can increase or decrease the number according to your requirement. So we have we need to split it in 2 columns, year and month. Now click on ok here. You will see we have year and month now separated. Now you can rename it, just like year month dot 1, year month dot 2. So you can rename this column names. So just right click on it, and here you will have the option to rename. You can rename it, right? And press enter. or else you can also double click on the column name and just type the name and press enter. So this is how you can split one column into two columns, and this is how you can unpivot other columns, right? So to apply the changes, just click on close and apply button.